Moving a chart. To move an already inserted chart inside the current worksheet, click, hold, and drag it to the desired location in the worksheet. Click on the chart. Chart Tools tab will appear on the ribbon. Click Move Chart option in the Location group on the Design tab under Chart Tools. Move Chart dialog box appears. You can move your chart to New Sheet or already created worksheet. Based on above two options, to move the chart to a new worksheet, click on New Sheet Radio button and type a name for the worksheet in the New Sheet box. To move the chart in already created worksheet, click on Object in Radio button and select the worksheet in the Object in box. Resizing a chart. For resizing a chart, there are various options used. To change the size, manually click, hold, and drag the resizing handles of the inserted charts to the desired size. To change with specified height and width measurements, enter the size in the Height and Width box on the Format tab in the Size group. Additionally, to change the size and scaling of the chart, click the dialog box launcher in the Size group on the Format tab. Then, in the Scale Height and Scale Width boxes, enter the required size. Deleting a chart. Sometimes we need to remove a chart from our spreadsheet. However, the data related to chart remains unaffected after deleting the chart. Click on the chart border to select it. Click Clear, Clear All in the Editing group on the Home tab. Delete content from a chart. If we want to remove some information from the chart, we don't have to recreate our chart. Click on the object that we want to remove from the chart. Press the Delete key. Selected object will be deleted from the chart, and the rest of the chart will remain same.